Oh, I beat it this time. That means I think the FM's character are probably going to go first. Oh, what the? Another shot of heavy downpours is expected, but this should only last 20 to 30 minutes. Okay. However, this could aggravate flooding issues from early rainfall. There it goes. There it goes. EAS activated for it, FLW. Flood warning in effect until 1:45 a.m. Sunday. Replaces flash flood warning. Alright, FMs, where are you? Where are you with this? There it goes. Including the following county, Dauphin.
7% of Dauphin County, Pennsylvania, effective until tomorrow at 1:50 a.m. Flood warning in effect until 1:45. Alabama. Incest children. And small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall.
Okay, I guess WNK is not going to relay that.
Amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Harrisburg, Hershey, Colonial Park, Progress, New Cumberland, Linglestown, Steelton, Lemoyne, Hummelstown, Paxtonia, Rutherford, Lawton, Bresler, and
additional blood thinners may reported. Tell your doctor about.
Okay, never mind.
1 Georgia to N 4.5.
Flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a Lancaster County in South Central Pennsylvania.
Come on, turn off. Thank you.
www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
Didn't say Don T.
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Yep. Man, I thought he was gonna say Don T drowned, but oh well.